Okay, so we are off on the river walk today. This is just a leisurely stroll. No packs or walking sticks required on this trail.
Even got the tennis shoes and the jeans on.
Yeah. We're doing the touristy thing this morning. Bus stop house is getting a new roof. So here we go. This is the one that's the beginning of the Narrows. So if you had your wetsuit and everything, why you could get to the end, we take off up through the river. So the water is run off this rock, and this land basically falling down here and in this sand and rocks up here just above us. And so then it's saturated down through that sand and is running down through that sand under this sidewalk, and it's just boiling up right here in front of us and running out. So this is what you call a swamp in the desert. So
That is just awesome.
pretty good little stream boiling out of there. There's nothing coming from back over here, so it's got to be running underground back here behind us and boiling out right here. Yeah, now we're starting to get into some little waterfalls where the big boulders have fallen down and blocked off the channel. There'll be a pretty deep pool in there. Canyon's getting a lot narrower. Well, we have reached the Narrows, or the beginning of the Narrows. This is where they put on their wetsuits and take off up and walk up through the river. So, when you get on up there, I suppose it'd be similar to Buckskin Gulch, only this thing's got water running in it.